Good Shabbos. This week's Parashat Masei, one of the, besides the 42 Masoes, that is the Shem Avayim in base. One of the topics is talking about Olim Miklat. Somebody killed by mistake. He has to run for his life to go to that city in order to protect himself from the Goyal Adam, that he shouldn't get killed. And the Torah Kedosha says that they used to make hint. The Gemara used to make hint. The Gemara in Marcus says they used to make hint. There's a lot of hint to tell you signs. Go right, go left. So a person who's running doesn't have to ask anyone. Just get straight to the Miklat. It's interesting, by Oile Regolim, people came from all around the Israel, many people, and there was no signs. The question is why? Why didn't they have big signs? Welcome to Jerusalem. This is Beis Hamikdash. Go right, go left. So I heard last night one of the Talmidim a big chiddush of it. Olam Miklat. If somebody would have asked how to get to the Olam Miklat, to the Dora Levin, right away people say, why is he looking to go there? He's the killer. He's the murderer. What is his family name? Or they would have talked Lashon Hara about him. The Torah says we don't want that. Lashon Hara is the highest dimension that it makes a roishim big in this world, the next one. But when you come to Eretz Yisrael, to the Beis Hamikdash, the Oile Regolim for the high holidays, so you're going to ask people how you go to the Beis Hamikdash, how you go to. So you're going to talk to people, and people say, "Wow, come also. Let's get some spiritual." Not only that, I'm going to come. I'm going to try to convince my neighbors and my friends, the people in the street that we're going to meet, also to come to the Beis Hamikdash, like Elkanah. Why was Zoiche for a son, Shmuel? It's brought because one major thing that he did. He got the people to come to the Beis Hamikdash. He used to make a big fuss out of it with nothing. And he used to talk to people, more people. When he came, it was a whole giant people. He got people back in the hard days to come back to the Beis Hamikdash, to the high holidays with the korbanos, whatever they brought in, to respect and to honor and to give, to shofar, to give that shefa of the Beis Hamikdash, the kedusha, from the holidays to the whole year. Have a good Shabbos.